The smart Fortwo is already a quirky little car, but if your gear shifts feel sloppy, it absolutely ruins the fun. This simple ABS knob from LPTYBCU claims to bring back that smooth, precise feeling to your 450 or 451. Let's see if this direct replacement delivers on its promise. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is the material. It's ABS plastic, which isn't exactly premium leather, but the manufacturer emphasizes the exquisite workmanship. And honestly, compared to a decade-old, sticky, worn-out stock knob, this black replacement looks sharp and clean. The design isn't revolutionary, but it's ergonomic, focusing heavily on that non-slip texture. That's vital because reducing friction isn't just about the internal mechanism. It's about how your hand interacts with the lever, ensuring a comfortable grip every time. Now, the installation process is where this product really shines. They promise a flexible, direct replacement, and that's exactly what you get. No complicated tools, no fiddling with adapters. You simply swap the old one out. This is a huge win for anyone who doesn't want to risk damaging their console just for a cosmetic upgrade. Once it's seated, it feels solid, not wobbly, which immediately restores confidence in the shifter assembly. In terms of actual driving performance, does it magically transform the Smart's transmission? No, of course not. But what it does do is restore the factory feel, or perhaps even slightly improve it due to the fresh, grippy surface. The claim of faster, smoother shifts is really about restoring confidence and reducing the physical effort needed, especially if your old knob was causing drag. For Fortwo owners in the 1998 to 2014 range, this is a necessary refresh that makes the daily commute much more pleasant. If you're driving a smart Fortwo 450 or 451, and your current gear selector is looking tired, this LPTYBCU knob is a fantastic, low-cost solution. It's easy to install, looks great, and brings back that satisfying click to your shifting experience. A definite thumbs up for restoring the joy of driving your tiny city car.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.